Welcome back. We're going to do some deer hunting. We're up in the woods right now. So I'm going to meet Justin here. He's on his way here now. So we're going to be hunting the antlerless portion of the rifle season here in Missouri. So we'll try and get us a doe. And then we're going to do some truck camping tonight up here. So I'll catch back with you when Justin gets here. In the meantime, I'm going to eat me some lunch here. All right, looks like Justin's rolling up now. It's only been a few minutes. Got the old Jeep, pulling the side-by-side.
I should be doing this all the way around so you pull the Jeep.
Yeah, it's not much smaller than the Jeep. 10 side-by-sides come by while go.
Which we're gonna get the traffic coming from the bottom too.
Yeah.
But there's one more spot up here. We can jump in that and go look. Okay. They're not dragging us around. It might work. I don't know if there is a spot where we could hunt right off of it, but
yeah,
I could drop you off. I think that ridge I was on down towards the end where I think that buck, there's quite a few.
A lot of trash around here. Yes, it's
that's definitely where they just
hangout spot.
Yeah.
I guess we're gonna go check out another spot and see if we want to camp there or whatnot.
Throw my windows up and lock it.
So we'll catch back with you. All right, we just found us another spot we're gonna come camp out at.
Private.
Yeah, a little less traffic would be.
Away from the highway.
Yeah. Away from the highway, so we don't have any road noise.
Look at that valley.
Yeah.
That may not be a bad one to go sit on this point over here looking down in there. You can.
So we're gonna go get the trucks and the rigs and come park them and set up and probably go do some hunting. We'll catch back with you. All right, looks like made it to our new camping spot here. Let him get situated, then I will get pulled in and we'll set up. Yeah. How's that look? Hey, that work, don't you?
Set all my stuff up and get in on their side.
Yep. All right, we're gonna get situated and probably see if we can't get us a deer. So catch back with you. All right, we got the rigs all situated. Got the truck pretty level. Justin come through here at the stick, weed whacking. So we got a nice cleared out spot and we're gonna load up and go see about finding a spot to hunt. We got a few hours before we'll sit down, but it's nice out, so we'll catch back with you. All right, Justin sees a deer. All right, like I say, that deer was way down there and just walked off into the woods. But that's what'd you say, that's 450 yards roughly? Well, okay, so there's a dead tree, it's 450 yards and it was past it just a little bit. So at least we saw one so far.
429 to that dead tree.
Okay, so 429 to that dead tree.
And then 440, that's that really.
Yeah, so
it's hard to, there ain't nothing to ping there, so.
Yeah. Pretty long distance away.
I wonder how far that power pole is. I don't know if I can hold that still. 520.
Well, we're still looking for a spot to set up this evening. We just got to the spot where I'm gonna hunt. I've got a little bit of visual up this ridge here, along the side here, and then to my left. We have a couple hours of hunting time, so I'll get back with you if anything comes up. Well, we made it back to camp, and we didn't get anything. Just saw armadillo and saw a chipmunk, and that was it. So we're gonna start cooking some food. Getting hungry. All right, I think we're gonna start off with some bratwurst. Probably won't cook all of them, just a couple. Have that for breakfast in the morning.
You bratwursts.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Magnificent.
You want a bratwurst? Huh? You want a bratwurst?
Mm-mm.
Actually, I may go ahead and cook them all up. Onion. Need onion?
Take a little bit. You got some extra.
Yeah. Got some pork and beans if you want some of those.
All right.
You want sweet potato?
Sweet potato?
Yeah, I've got. Huh?
Yeah.
All right, got some brats here sizzling. Justin's got him some spam. Smells good. Smells good though.
Yeah, you got like a fork?
Yeah.
Something I can get this off here with?
You want a spatula? No, I got tongs.
I guess I got that play knife too. Oh, you new fan.
You need some oil? Here's some olive oil.
I need a bit. Once I get going, I should have enough. But... See her out of this. This little turd gets pretty hot.
Yeah. That burner, it like heats up quick, doesn't it?
Yeah. My wife went to crabbing company. I'm getting spam.
All right. Got some onions in there with those. Deer camp bratwurst and onions, and we got some spam over here and onions.
You could say it a little different attitude, like you already like telling them they won't like it. And we got some spam.
In this corner we've got some bratwurst with onions,
About halfway.
and over here we got the winning spam and onions.
I think you got the same skillet.
Still cooking. And then we're going to heat up some water and do some mac and cheese. It's looking pretty good. Justin's already got all his spam cooked up. And his 3 pieces of onion. Or 4.
What's that burnt?
I like onions more than a lot of people, so.
I just like the taste. Oh, we're starting to boil.
Are we?
Mm-hmm. The bubbles coming out.
Be charring some of these, whatchamacallits.
I'll take my pot, or my pan, flip it upside down on yours. Make a little oven.
Almost need to for these.
Yeah.
Boy, she is hot still.
I need to dump it out. You got the thing on the bottom of it.
Oh, that's it. Oh, it melted.
Did it really?
I mean, it was $1.
Oh. Well, it was also pretty hot.
Maybe I should invest in a little bit better ones. I'll do that. Look at her. That's my pretty one.
What was the design? You can see the pan now. What is it?
I didn't know it would do that.
You wouldn't think it would.
Mm-hmm. You want onion? That's good.
Cranberry water?
Yeah. It's pretty good. I usually mix it half of water.
Oh, it's kind of strong.
Yeah. It don't really taste like cranberry juice. It don't taste as tart, you know?
Yeah.
Take you some minutes. Set timer. Eight minutes.
I've seen a lot of people taking kids.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
We didn't.
I got it.
Yeah?
And what's it?
Yeah. Okay.
It's awesome. And man, that thing I can drill. It's nuts accurate. It's threaded, got raised sights on it.
Uh-huh.
It's crazy. They're like $300 or $400 for a new one, and they're way cooler than a Glock. I've taken it twice. And both times I was like, damn. That. That's pretty close.
We're getting surrounded.
What you got there? Oof. Oh. Blinded by light now.
Got the chills there.
Yeah, I might have to play some music so I have to hear that crap. I hear play some beach music, so it's like, I charged up my DeWalt battery that's on my little fan, and I was like, oh, you know what?
I brought the kids this little rechargeable fan and charged it up, and yeah, I don't need that bad boy. All right, I think it's about time to eat. Got my bratwurst there. We just made up some mac and cheese. Justin's making a sandwich with his Spam. So we're gonna sit down and enjoy some dinner. In the woods alone, dinner time.
I'm not alone.
No, there's been coyotes running around.
Not completely alone. You got another utensil after that?
Yeah, your fingers.
Yeah. I'll just fold this.
You want a real utensil? You want a fork or spoon?
Fork's fine.
I've got spoon too.
Shovel. Oh, it's the first time I sit down all day.
Is it?
Until my child's been sitting on the pillows all the way back. I'm gonna sleep on here. Light some of these sticks over here.
Ugh, it's out of my reach. You need some ketchup for that?
Nope. Simple man. Oh.
Oh, did you bring? Oh.
Yeah, I had some grass stuck on my foot, I guess.
I didn't realize you brought one of those.
Yeah, I figured I would relax a little bit. I planned on sitting around a little bit before you got up here, but that's when my father-in-law brought that blind up here. Pretty good.
One piece of brat?
I think I'm fine.
Alright, the only thing my plate is missing is some mac and cheese.
It's pretty good. Mac and cheese. Oh.
Alright, there it is. It's easy, not bad in there, is it?
No. I liked it.
That was a good supper. Justin's still finishing his up. Nice and calm out this afternoon.
No, we're not hunting.
It's dark out already. Real dark. I think it's supposed to get down to 40 degrees tonight. And I'm not used to the cold weather yet. So I'm gonna be sleeping with my warm sleeping bag tonight. Oh, so I think we'll clean up our mess here and probably relax. It's just after 9 o'clock. Getting ready for bed. Gonna get up about 5:30 and shooting time is about 6:30. So it gives us about an hour to get ready. So we'll see you in the morning. It's in the morning. I slept pretty good and I think Justin did too. It's dark out. We got about 20 minutes till shooting time. Truck showed 39 degrees. I stayed warm in my sleeping bag. So we're getting ready to head back out and hopefully we can get us a deer or two. So I'll catch back with you. Just got set up in my chair here. Same tree I was yesterday. We got about 10 minutes till shooting time. So see if we can't get a deer this morning. I'll catch back with you. It's been a few hours. Haven't had anything come through. Only seen squirrels. It is a nice morning though. But I'm using a Millennial hang-on chair. It's real nice. Just clamps on back here. Strap. Real lightweight. Well, we're back at camp. Neither one of us got a deer. Justin's spooked too this morning when he was going to his spot. I saw a chipmunk and then some squirrels. That's about it. So I think now I'm gonna heat up some water and make some hot chocolate. Warm up a little bit.
One of my bread is wet, the one that's still.
Here, throw it in the pan. Here, you wanna throw it on here?
For the fire.
How about this trick?
Shizzle. I need some tongs or something.
How about this?
It'll take a second. Versatile. Cutting board. Lap tray. Skillet.
Everything.
Go flat top. Already steaming on that turd. Things get hot. Dang.
Hot?
It's hot. It's already burnt. It already burned it. Warm. You could cook it on a little griddle pan with that thing.
Oh yeah, you could.
Yeah, no, we did. Just taking little trips.
All right, got some sliced up bratwurst and onions. Uh-oh, just lost a piece.
One less bratwurst.
Yeah. All right, let them cook for a bit. And then we'll fry up 2 eggs and eat with that.
Ooh. Really?
That is hot. I didn't even boil it. I thought it was. I'll let that cool off. I'm thinking about just cracking the eggs right on top of this.
Making like a omelet kind of.
Yeah. One more egg. There we go. Never had a fried up bratwurst for breakfast before, so it's gonna be good. Somebody's shooting by us. I hope they're
at something.
Yeah, I hope they're target practicing.
There's one like that yesterday evening. It's like boom, 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 boom. I think I heard some shotguns this morning. I think that's
Yeah.
what that was over there.
What is it? Teal season or something, or early, or youth or something?
Maybe that or some geese or something.
Still toasty. I'm not gonna lie, they don't look too bad.
Should have popped them. Spun it.
I don't know. We may do that. Did it just break?
What was that?
My command hook.
Oh, I thought I knocked something off.
Well, it did say it was only rated for half a pound.
Really?
We must be at 0.7 pound. Already got something better than that. I figured I'd give it a shot.
Screwed it.
Oh, you know what? Some hash browns in this would have been the bomb.
You have some kind of Southwest something going on here, yeah.
All right, it's done. Looks pretty good. Wish I had some hot sauce for it. Get all the burns and burnt in there. Breakfast ready. You want to try it? You want a fork?
I'm okay.
I thought you said you try it.
No, I said I'm all right.
Oh, they said try it. I think I'm gonna do a little ketchup on there. All right. See how this is. Not bad. Don't put it too far. I'm not a good shot. Alright, you ready?
Yep.
Woo! It ain't kick as fast as I thought.
No, it definitely moves you, but it definitely, you know,
Yeah.
it's not as bad as you thought it'd be. Oh, direct hit.
I was like, I get more centered than that.
I mean, it's pretty close, but I think you could double that distance. You still be.
Yep.
Try to shoot the cap of that one. Shot a little left. Oh, look. That's right where I was pointing at. It's
You
just
hit it.
below the cap.
Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Look at the size difference. Which hole did you hit?
That top one.
Okay.
And I set it back pointed forward again. That thing. You must have hit.
Alright, we picked up camp. Justin's heading out. We had a pretty good time. Like I said, we didn't get us a deer, but still enjoyed company and ate some good food.